all of you would be, firstly, have very good awareness about your own self, right? That is expected. The kind of facilities that you have had and what kind of facilities you have made use of, right? What are the takeaways from the school life? Participation in various activities. Now, there are so many activities, you obviously cannot be interested in everything. And there are certain compulsory activities. PT is compulsory, parade is compulsory, participation in games and sports is compulsory, running a cross country is compulsory, passing a swimming exam is compulsory, and so on and so forth. You know, depending on school to school, there are certain activities which are made compulsory, and there are certain activities which you can choose of your own choice. Now, I want you to make a distinction between what are the activities which are compulsory, which you have to do in any case, right? Like it or you don't like it. And there are other activities where you are keenly involved. Now, it could be a particular game, it could be a let's say an outdoor game, it could be an indoor game, it could be swimming, it could be athletics, it could be debates, it could be dramatics, it could be anything. So you need to make a distinction between the two. Things which are compulsory, which you have done because you participated, right? Active participation has been there, and there another activity or activities where you were very keenly involved. Now that is where you perhaps excel. That's where you participate in those competitions. Now these could be inter-house competitions, these could be inter-school competitions, zonal, regional, or whatever you call it. And what is your motivation to join the forces? Motivation to join the forces, yes, like I said, you do have presence of the senior management from the school, who are principals, vice principals, registrar, headmaster, or admin officer, whatever they are called. And in addition, you have a lot of alumni, ex cadets from your schools who have done extremely well in the armed forces, very senior officers, and they come and visit the school once in a while. So old boys meet, etc. That is where you get a chance to meet and associate with them, and they facilitate a lot of information sharing, etc. So I would like you to take advantage of this and remain motivated, right? And also I've interacted with many of the cadets from various Sainik schools. I find that people are a little fixated as far as their choice is concerned, career choice is concerned. Okay, I'll take only army or I'll go only for Air Force. My suggestion is that you be a little open about it, right? So these days you do have, like, if you're wanting to pursue a career in engineering, yes, you have chances of getting into the TES entry. Of course, you have to appear for the JE exam, that is after your 12th class. And then, 10+2 BTech entry you can go for that. Avenues in different services are enormous, I would say, right? So have an open mind. It's not that, if you're not seen Navy, you say कि मेरे को Navy में interest नहीं है. Once you, unless until you learn about it, you will not develop interest. So that is my advice, that know about various services and keep an open mind towards your career choice. In any case, for NDA you have to give 4 choices, right? And these days you also have opportunities to join the technical branch and the ground duties, non-technical, ADAM, logistics, if you are an Air Force candidate through NDA as well. So make your choices clear and be informed about all this. Now, I would be also covering in the course of future, the next tutorials, why it is important to know about the armed forces. Now this I'm going to cover in the next session, which will be another 2 days or so. And like I said, knowing about various services, what are the arms, what are the branches, that is definitely helpful, you're in the interview. Hope you find it beneficial. So do share, subscribe, and like if you found this worthwhile. So thank you very much, and